You won't believe this yellow cake can be made in one bowl without a mixer. It's super moist, light, and fluffy and just melts in your mouth. I was shocked because it's as good as, if not better, than other recipes that require a lot more work. Everybody will be asking you for the recipe once they taste it. It goes great with any frosting, but a chocolate buttercream pairing is so nostalgic. The cake is sturdy enough to make into a layer cake, just double the recipe. In a large bowl, mix together your dry ingredients, 1¼ cups of flour, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Whisk well. Then add a 1/2 cup of a neutral oil like canola, 1 egg, a 1/2 cup of buttermilk, and whisk till almost smooth. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and a 1/2 cup of hot water and quickly mix till smooth. The batter will be thin. Pour into a greased and floured and parchment-lined 8 or 9-inch round or square pan and bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs. To make the cake extra moist and for even baking, I recommend putting a pan filled with 1 inch of water in the lowest rack of the oven while the cake bakes. For the frosting, I just made a chocolate buttercream with 5 tablespoons of softened butter, 1/4 cup of dark cocoa. So you just want to cream that together. Then sift in 2 cups of powdered sugar, add a few tablespoons of milk, and frost the cake. This makes enough for 1 layer of cake. It might not be enough if you want to frost the sides. Slice and serve. Enjoy.